Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that I have worked in my weight loss journey. And for your reference, I would like to share some pictures of me so that you can have a better understanding as to why these tips and tricks are so important to me. This is me in my third trimester. I was big, but I was happy. Somehow my body accumulated a lot of fluids and I ended up gaining 40 kilos. This is how I looked after a couple of months of my delivery. Not much difference, as you can see for yourself. Apart from taking a big toll on my self-confidence, I was also facing many health issues. That's where my weight loss journey began. I had a good idea of how to get back to shape or where I would feel confident and have better health, but I just didn't know when to start. With everything around me, I was just very confused. When should I start my weight loss journey? Because I was getting different information from everybody. So that's where I said to myself that it is my body and I know when I have to start. I have to take charge. So that's when I began. If you're also in the same situation or for some reason you're not able to lose those extra kilos, or if you're pregnant and you need some motivation, you've come to the right place. I have some tips and tricks for you. If you're new to my channel, that I think you are, hi, my name is Niti and I make YouTube videos on lifestyle, fashion and beauty. If you like to watch such videos, please subscribe. That would mean world to me. And if you end up liking this video, please give this video a thumbs up. That would be amazing. Now, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 1, take a before picture. Always. If you're starting a new workout or you're starting a new diet, it is very important that you take a before picture, or you can take some measurements of your body and keep them aside, because these pictures and measurements will come very handy and motivate you during your journey of your weight loss. Because every now and then you will feel that you cannot do it. You will not have enough motivation to do your workouts or to follow your diet or to be on track. So these pictures and measurements will help you stay on track. These pictures will remind you how far you have come. Number 2, very important, you have to count calories. I'm sorry, I hear so many people say that I cannot do that. That's too small of a thing. But if you really want to lose weight, you have to count your calories. So I have some information. I will show you how you can do that. Open browser on your computer or your phone. Go to google.com, type daily calorie calculator. Click on the first link and you choose the unit as per your preference. I prefer kilos, so I have this unit. So I'm going with the default settings. But you should enter your details like your age, your weight, your height, and then click calculate. This is a very simple way of knowing how many calories you should be eating in a day. Now, when you know how many calories you should be eating in a day, I would suggest don't stop there. You have calculated the calories you should be eating, but are you tracking what you're actually eating? If you're supposed to eat 1800 calories and if you end up eating 2800 calories, it just doesn't solve the purpose. You won't be losing weight. Number 3, don't eat bland food. Don't eat just salads. Don't just drastically change your diet. For an example, for my lunch, usually I just take any protein because I'm a non-vegetarian. So I usually take chicken or fish. If you're a vegetarian, you can go for tofu or chickpeas. You can add those to some veggies. You can steam the veggies or you can grill, you can saute. Always use a cooking spray. We end up putting too much oil in our food and that doesn't help. Then after adding my protein, my veggies, I add some salad. Salad could be a cucumber or a lettuce, onions, whatever you like. So after that, I also add some carbs like boiled quinoa or brown rice. So my measurements, what I like to do is I add 1/3 cup of either brown rice or quinoa to my lunch. And pretty much my dinner is also the same. Number 4, set a curfew for your food. I know that sounds funny, but then you have to zip up. So it's very important to set a time when you decide that either it could be 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 7:30 p.m., 8 p.m., but don't go beyond that. Make sure you eat your last meal and then just stop. Shut the shop. Close your kitchen. That works a lot because that gives time to your body to digest all the food and burn the fat. Don't eat late at night. That's not good for your health and doesn't help in weight loss either. Number 5. Now, if your goal is only weight loss, then I think you can cut your calories down and do some exercise. If you really want to go that extra mile, I would say do strength training. It will tone your body. It will further help you in weight loss. Number 6. Now, this is the most important part. All the above things will not matter if you're not consistent, if you're not disciplined. You can plan your day in advance. You can keep your workout clothes outside. You can make sure that you know what exercises you will be doing tomorrow, what food you will be eating tomorrow, so you don't get any surprises in the morning and then you don't feel like doing it or whatever is the reason. We don't want to give that chance to ourselves. We want to be self-motivated, consistent, and very disciplined. That's the key. Number 7. Now, this is no brainer, but it's a good reminder that you should drink lukewarm water throughout the day. Number 8. Don't weigh yourself every day. Don't do that to yourself. That's the worst thing we do. I used to weigh myself every day or sometimes twice in a day. Weight can fluctuate and it can play with your mind. I would get so upset, so mad at myself, so mad at everything that it will just spoil my mood. So I set a day of the week and time, and I would weigh myself on the same day every week at same time. That helped me achieve my goals because I would not fall off the track just looking at my weight fluctuate and then just getting upset and just getting back to my binge eating. I won't do that. So that has also helped. So ladies, don't check your weight. Number 9, your body needs some time for the changes to take effect, to show on your body, to show on the scale. So give some time to your body. Give yourself at least 4 to 5 days for whatever exercise or diet you have been following for it to change your body or for it to take effect. And don't just rush. Don't give up so easily. Number 10. Now it's very important to take care of yourself. Only then you will be happy and the people around you will be happy. If you're not happy with yourself for whatever reason, it cannot just be the weight or whatever it is. You have to work on yourself. Only then people around you will get the positive vibes. If you're happy, everybody around you will be happy. So that is the most important thing. Don't forget that. I hope these tips and tricks have helped you. If you have any questions or anything to share, do comment down below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video.